Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of online project management software. Whether you're a team leader or a freelancer, managing projects effectively is essential. Let's get started. But first, why should you use project management software? Some key benefits include increased efficiency, enhanced collaboration, and better time management. With so many tools available, how do you choose the right one? Consider your specific needs, such as team size, project complexity, and required features. Once you've chosen your tool, it's time to set up your project. Begin by creating a workspace that fits your workflow. Customize it to reflect your project's branding. Next, add your team members and assign them specific roles. Make sure everyone knows their responsibilities from the outset. Now, let's create tasks and set deadlines. Break down your project into manageable tasks with clear deadlines to keep everyone on track. One of the most powerful features is the ability to track progress using visual dashboards. These give you real-time updates on your project status. Make the most of your project management software by utilizing features like Gantt charts for timelines, Kanban boards for task visualization, and timelines for overviews of your project. Effective communication is key. Use built-in tools like chat, comments, and file sharing to collaborate seamlessly with your team. Finally, remember these tips. Stay organized, communicate openly, and regularly update your project plans. With these strategies, you can successfully manage projects online.